But there are lots of barriers in the classroom environment that can put roadblocks in this process flow. So a very simple one that we could look at is the note taker's dilemma. So this is where you need to encode and store information. So you need to be able to listen and engage in class, but also have a comprehensive summary of information to review, retain, and apply later. And trying to engage in the moment and take a record of that or a set of notes for later is actually really difficult to do. It's a lot of multitasking, and cognitively, multitasking is a myth. We're task switching instead of multitasking, and that's very draining. There's a huge cognitive load associated with that, which is why you often hear students say that they're worried that they've missed information, for example. And this process is affected by a series of common learning challenges. So we conduct research at Glean into the learning process that our users are going through. And we do this through something called the Grades Challenge. So it looks at how they're sort of developing their understanding and then applying that information. And we survey thousands of learners. And from that, in past surveys, what we found is that there are four challenges that continually surface. The first is attention and concentration, so how they're engaging in class. The second is the ability to process that information and manage cognitive overload, so feeling overwhelmed by that information. Third is the organisation and planning, or in other words, executive functioning. So what are they taking from that and how do they know what to do with it afterwards? And then just simply knowing how to study after class, and those key study skills that will help you comprehend, retain, and apply information effectively.